that to me. I lied to you not. But it's not a V8. We're working to that. Trust me. V8 status is coming. Don't know what V8, but a V8 status is coming. It could be a truck. It could be a car. Just don't know. So, let y'all hear a little bit of it. Oh, also, so y'all know, this car has, you know, of course, a rev governor on it, right? So, you only can rev it so high. You get up to 300. Let me show y'all. You get up to 3,000. That's it. All right. Now, pay attention. Let's see if it come in. See the square? Watch me. Now, you see the square. The square will disappear when I put it in between neutral and reverse. See? Now, it's in between neutral and reverse. My foot is off the gas, off the brake, as y'all can see. So watch me rev it. It'll let you rev the hell out of it. Y'all hear it? I'm in a park. Listen to it one more time, then we're gonna get out of here. So now, y'all see, once again, it's in nothing. Now I'm gonna put it back in reverse. Just tap it. Look, go right back in reverse. Pop. Reverse. Neutral. Drive. Third. Low. And we're gonna go all the way back up. Neutral. Reverse. Park. Just so for all y'all people, now look at the difference. That's it. That's it. That's all. So y'all let me know what y'all think about that. If you having a rev off, put it in neutral or between reverse and neutral till that square light go off. Once that square light go off, you can rev the hell out of it. I don't want to keep disrespecting the park, so we're gonna go ahead and go. So make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, smash that notification bell so y'all get all upcoming content that I put out. Smoking metal car, like